With the Property Tool's Annotations function, you can add inner links as well. This means that within the Property Tool, you can get from one point to another with the help of annotations. Let's see how it works in practice. Here's this "you can go upstairs here as well" annotation tag. By clicking on it, you can go upstairs. If you look around, you can find another different tag. You can go downstairs here as well. Click on it, so you can go downstairs. It works in the following way. You can add any links, a link under a button, a jump link, or you can simply insert a link into the annotations, which points to this tool, and after reloading, if you click on the tag, it directs you to the given spot.